Hey folks, we have a GE profile gas propane stovetop. We turn it on. See the flames orange. It's unusual. So we started thinking something in the pipes. Is the propane gas bad? Do we need a new stovetop? Negative. We found the problem, surprisingly. And that's the surprise. A little vaporizer in the house putting out some misting water vapor when the heater is running. Apparently, if you have propane at least, and you have a burner, it makes the propane flame turn orange. I guess because of the water molecules, water vapor molecules in the air. I'm going to turn this off, let the air settle out from the humidity and show you what it looks like without this running. Yeah, water vaporizer's been off for about 4 hours. Heater's been running because it's cold. Let's take a look at what the gas looks like when we start it now. Still a little orange. We'll wait till tomorrow. Here's the following day with the humidity out of the air. Blue flames. So I don't have to replace this. I don't have to call the propane guy. I don't have to clean anything out. Funny. Who would have thought it?